how to fix Roblox error code 268 on mobile. If you want to fix the error code 268 on mobile, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. First of all, if you're having that kind of issue on Roblox, you want to check if your internet connection is working just fine. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa. Now, after you've done that, what you also want to do is simply go within the Roblox app, or what you can do is simply open up settings if you're using Android. From settings, go to the option called apps. From apps, tap the search bar and simply search for Roblox. Now, this is only for Android users. If you're using iPhone, make sure to offload the app. From here, scroll down to storage, go to clear cache, and make sure to also clear the data, which will reset the app, by the way. After you've done that, go to your Play Store or your App Store on your iPhone or Android. Search for Roblox. Check if the Roblox game has an update available, and if it does, just make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.